The foldable battle is heating up in 2025 and it's a two-phone showdown. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 vs Motorola's Razr Plus 2025. Both are available now in the US and promise premium flip experiences, but which one is actually worth your money this year? Let's break it down starting with the design. The Z Flip 6 keeps Samsung's refined hinge mechanism with a flatter, gapless fold and stronger armor aluminum frame, but the Razr Plus comes in with a vegan leather back, a wider outer screen, and a more compact, symmetrical design that honestly feels better in hand for many users. The Razr Plus is slimmer when folded and opens flat with almost no crease, giving it that book-like feel, while the Flip 6 has a slightly more visible crease but improved durability and IPX8 water resistance. When it comes to displays, both feature 6.7-inch foldable AMOLED panels with 120Hz refresh rates, but the Z Flip 6 boasts higher brightness at up to 2600 nits versus around 1400 on the Razr Plus. Outdoors the Samsung wins. Indoors they both look stunning. Now the outer display is where Motorola dominates, with a 4-inch full-use cover screen that can run nearly any app, while Samsung's 3.4-inch screen is still powerful but a bit more restricted unless you tweak settings or use Good Lock. Motorola makes multitasking on the outer screen feel like a real mini phone experience. Internally, both are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which means flagship-level speed, smooth gaming, and zero lag in daily use. Both offer 8 to 12 GB RAM depending on the model and excellent cooling for sustained performance. Now let's talk cameras. The Z Flip 6 features a new 50 megapixels main sensor with improved image processing and better night photography compared to previous flips. Meanwhile, the Razr Plus sticks with a dual 12 megapixel setup but enhances software to improve results. Still, in side-by-side tests, Samsung pulls ahead in sharpness, low light, and dynamic range. Selfies with the cover display are excellent on both, but Samsung's camera UI feels more refined and creator-friendly. Battery life is another major factor. Motorola packs a 4000 mAh cell versus Samsung's 3700 mAh, and in real usage, the Razr Plus lasts a little longer with screen on time, but Samsung wins in standby efficiency thanks to One UI optimization. Both support wireless charging and fast wired charging, but the Razr Plus is just slightly quicker to top up. When it comes to software, Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 is mature, customizable, and integrates Galaxy AI tools for translation, note-taking, and camera enhancements, but Motorola's cleaner UI with minimal bloat and near-stock Android is refreshing, especially for users who want simplicity. Now for pricing. Both phones start around $999 in the US with similar storage options, so the decision really comes down to priorities. If you want the best display brightness, camera quality, and AI features, go Flip 6. If you value the larger outer screen, unique style, and pure Android experience, go Razr Plus. They're both great but cater to different needs. For creators, Samsung's better. For casual users who love the retro flip vibe, Motorola might be more fun. So which flip phone would you choose in 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video if this helped and subscribe to Digital Dive for the best USA-based tech comparisons every week.